What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Today's video, we're going to transform this oil drum and this trailer into a grill. Just a regular grill, not a pig cooker or anything like that. Nothing fancy, just a pig cooker. I mean, not a pig cooker, I'm sorry, just a regular grill. 250-gallon drum grill, probably about 3 foot by 3 foot of space, of grilling space. You got your hot box where you keep your food warm and not cook. This is the Welding Machine and we're gonna do this project. Alright y'all, so as you guys are looking at this grill, we're gonna tackle the trailer on another thing because that ain't no problem. Alright, so right here from this section we're gonna use this tape. I think this tape's 2 inches wide, so that's what we'll probably use. So you got 2 inches from the outside all the way over, and then you got 2 inches here, and then a hot box. This is gonna be the grill top. Handle's gonna be here. Pick it up. Same thing right here. Guys, as you can tell, we got everything taped up. We took all the pipes out the back so to air out, so no explosions or anything. You guys seen it first here. So let's turn this bad boy into a grill. Cut the grill. Somebody called the fire department. Really? Well guys, apparently cutting on this grill, the fire department got called. So we're gonna have to end this video right here, guys. Oh wait.